Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. I've had a couple of requests into making a nice rice recipes for your proteins from steaks to chicken. So I've been experimenting in the last few days and I discovered something new. So continue watching. This is my recipe and technique into making the best rice I think you will ever eat in your life. Alright guys, for this rice recipe we're gonna actually be using two different rices. As you can see, we're gonna be using the white rice and the risotto rice. I've shown you guys the boxes so you can understand more about what we're gonna be doing. Guys, so we're gonna just put the lid on just like that. Remember, we're using low heat. We're just gonna leave it for like 20 minutes. That's it. Alright guys, let's have a bite with everything. As you can see, I made some mixed grilled chicken. If you want to see the video, I'm gonna give you the link in the description, or you could just visit our YouTube channel. I'm gonna just use the chopsticks because I like using them. Okay, let's try the rice. Okay, now what I have to say about this rice is it's very interesting, it's very tasty. Maybe it needed a little bit more salt, so I need to like put 2 more drizzles of salt. Rather than that, it's amazing. Right guys, so what's interesting about this rice is the white rice gives you this nice softness, and the risotto rice gives you like a little bit of chewiness, not too much, something just to kinda like a harder bite. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you happen to like the video, please subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.